happy Saturday. This is Sherry from Style Tips with Sherry. Today on the channel, I'm going to talk about nail trends, nail color trends that are happening this spring, but that I believe are going to take us into summer. When I did my research, there were a lot of colors that were showing up, lots of trends. But what I did is I chose the 5 that I think are suitable for us. You who watch my channel, those of us who have decided that we want a stylish look, but not super trendy. We like slow fashion better than fast fashion. We like wow pieces. We like better quality, and we're not 20 anymore. You know what I mean? So anyway, there are 5 that I'm going to talk about and I'm going to show you as well. So number 1 is interesting because I wondered and I really thought about, does this work for us? But it's called the Floral Trend, floral design. And I think it works for us if we only apply the floral look to maybe 1 or 2 nails, maybe 1 on each hand, or 1 on your big toe if you're getting a pedicure. My sister just got a pedicure and she said, look at the flower I got. And so instead of doing flowers on all of your nails, just pick 1 or 2, say 1 on each hand or 1 on each foot, and go with that. Number 2, it should be no surprise that green is happening in the nail world. And so I actually tried it out because I thought, can I really recommend green to those who watch me and follow my channel? Because I thought green is a little like out there. Well, it doesn't have to be bright green. I actually chose a mint green for my pedicure. And it's really pretty. I'm still getting used to it a little bit. In fact, I even said to my husband, I'm not sure if I'm going to go back and get a polish change. He was like, well, why don't you just do it yourself? I'm like, well, because I would mess it all up. So, but the mint green, and I'm going to stick with it. But I think the mint green it's pretty. But if you want to, go for a brighter green, then maybe on your pedicure, try it that way. The number 3 trend is all shades of pink, from pastel pink to hot pink and magenta. And again, should be no surprise because that's what's showing up all over the stores for fashion. Lots of pinks and greens and orange. Didn't see a lot of orange for nail color trend, but for sure the green and for sure the pink. So if you like pink, this is your season. It will take you all the way through summer. And so try any shade. I would say be a little brave. If you're used to wearing a more subtle shade of pink, then how about going for a louder shade and see what you like, at least on your toes. You got to do that. All right, number 4 is called the micro French tip manicure. So it's like a French manicure. Like I have a French manicure on, but it's that with a slim, very micro slim end. I did ask my manicurist to give me a little smaller white tip. She usually goes a little bit wider with the tip. So I did go a little smaller, but not as small as what's trending. I also think that if you love something, you should keep doing it. I love a French manicure. I think it looks classy and nice, and always my hands, I'm always with my hands, right? Talking with my hands, all the things. But I like a French manicure on my nails. And so, if you want to try the micro trend, try it in a color. And so it doesn't just have to be the white like what I have on, but you can try it with pink at the end or green at the end and see what you think. But that's the number 4 trend. And then the number 5 trend is really pretty. It's called the lip gloss nail trend. So basically what it is, it's a neutral base, either a beigey or a light pink, like neutrally, like, not pink, light pink, but like a light, I'm talking all over myself, but like a pink tone neutral. and then with really high shine gloss on top of it. And so let me see here. What do they say about it? It's just sheer neutral nail color with major shine. That's what it is. So, you know, this season is really, I think about the brighter shades. I opted to go a little more minty on my toes, but whatever it is that you decide, just go with it, have fun. But I would recommend go get a manicure and a pedicure. It makes you feel good. You don't have to do it weekly. I probably get a pedicure 4 times a year, probably, maybe 5. And then my nails, I go about every 3 or 4 weeks. So there you go. I hope that you are going to have beautiful nails this spring and summer leading into it. And I am just looking forward to seeing you next week. Currently, while you're watching this, I'm in Hawaii. I filmed this ahead of time, but I'll be back soon. Next week, we're going to have a great video on another item for your body shape. So we'll see what that is then. All right, guys, see you. Bye, ladies. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.